Hi guys, it's Senay. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to film a PR haul. I never film PR hauls. I've got no idea why. I just feel like I never get around to doing them. Hopefully this is something you guys are interested in watching, and if you are, let me know down below because then I'll definitely do more PR hauls. So the other day we had 3 makeup events, which was a very long day. We had Mecca Land, Benefit and Too Faced. It was such an amazing day. We had so much fun. So starting off with Meccaland, I guess you can compare it to maybe IMAT. So it was like a big warehouse setup with a bunch of like makeup stands, like Urban Decay, Smashbox, everything that Mecca has there was pretty much there, like all the brands were there. So we got to go around and look at all the products. They had like a ball pit. It was amazing. Like they had so much kind of entertainment there, music, drinks. It was so much fun. Please bear with me today. I'm struggling to talk and I've got no idea why, and it's frustrating me so much. So if I don't make sense or don't explain anything correctly, I apologize. I'm trying my best. I think I'm just going to get straight into the haul because my brain is like scatterbrained today. So when we did leave Meccaland, they gave us a really big kind of goodie bag. It was like a show bag but full of makeup, so it was amazing. I'm going to try and pick this up, but it is heavy. So this is the bag that they gave us. When we left, there's so much in here. We got totally spoiled. I'm pretty much just going to start pulling stuff out. This is not going to be in any particular order. So the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is the Dermalogica Professional Grade Skincare for Life. So it looks like it's kind of like a travel pack. So that's what it looks like. We've got like cleansing gel, microfoliant, skin smoothing cream. So it's just like a little travel pack. I really do like Dermalogica products. I use them quite often. The next thing I've got is the Glam Glow Glitter Mask, and I've been so curious about this. I've seen tons of pictures of people wearing it. It looks amazing because obviously it's covered in glitter. I definitely know that the glitter doesn't serve really much purpose in this face mask. It's purely for looks and taking maybe cute Instagram photos, but it looks cool. So yeah, kind of can't wait to try it. So I couldn't help myself. I opened it up. It looks like it came with like a little brush to apply the face mask with. It does smell amazing. Ugh, I don't want to get this everywhere. Not sure if you guys are going to be able to see the glitter. I think you can see it a little bit. It's got little stars, little speckles in there. I do really like Glam Glow masks. I do think they're quite overpriced, but I guess you're probably paying for the brand. You know, isn't that like everything else in life? The next thing I've got is the Drunk Elephant Sea Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I actually have been using this the last few days since I did get it. So far, so good. It feels really nice under the eyes. It feels so hydrating. It's really nice and thick. I like a good thick cream on the face, I guess you could say. It just feels like it really hydrates. So I'll continue using this. I probably will repurchase it. I know I've only been using it for a couple of days, but I've been enjoying it so far. So we've got some limited edition makeup. I'm not sure if like all the stuff in here is limited edition. This is the Too Faced Life's a Festival, Peace, Love and Unicorns. The packaging's pretty cool, very festival-like, and that's what the palette looks like on the inside. It looks like there's only 2 matte shades in the whole palette and the rest is shimmers. I'm thinking about trying this out maybe in a video. Let me know if you'd like to see that. I don't know like how long these limited edition products are going to last, but I definitely want to try it out. Grown Alchemist Hydra Care Kit Hand Cream and Hydra Mist. I don't actually know of this brand, to be honest. I haven't heard of it. Okay, looks like we do have the Hydra Mist. I've never obviously used these products before. And then we also do have a hand cream, which I love hand creams because my hands are always crusty and dry, so I'll probably be using that. Okay, so this next brand I have heard of, but I've never tried anything from them. This is Billion Dollar Brows, and it is a brow pencil. I think it's meant to be universal. I don't know like how universal it's going to be, considering everyone needs kind of a different eyebrow shade, but whatever. So it does say universal brow pencil. I'd like to try it out. It says water resistant as well. So you got your spoolie. I do like that it's wind up though, so I don't have to sharpen anything. Most likely it's going to work for me because I've got pretty basic brown hair. This next one I was really excited for. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Pink Light. I don't know if that's what it says. So it is a Fix Plus, but pretty much it's got like a pigment through it, like a shimmer. As you can see, it's kind of like white, but it does have like a pink reflect to it, so it probably is pink light. I haven't used this yet. Apparently it's meant to leave like a nice glow on the face after using it. I might try it out right now. The mister on these is so nice. It smells like normal Fix Plus. It doesn't have like a different scent. I think I can see the shimmer. You guys probably won't be able to see it, but I probably look a little bit more shiny. I've got this Origins Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. Something I definitely need. I love a good eye cream. Well, I was going to open it, but my nails don't really help me, so I'm going to open it later. Apparently this stuff is really good. I've heard some really good stuff about this particular eye cream. So the next one is a makeup product. We've got the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat Palette. I have seen all the videos like around YouTube with Nicole Richie promoting it. I don't actually own the big like Naked Heat palette, but I have tried it. So this is like the petite version. I guess it's meant to be more for travel. To be honest, I wasn't going to go out of my way and like purchase this. Like I didn't have any urge to buy this palette, but I guess now that I've got it, I'll probably try it. Let me know if you want to see me try this out. I've got a NARS product. This is the Danger Control eyeshadow palette. The packaging on it is gorgeous. I think I have seen this floating around as well. Really love this packaging. It's so sleek and beautiful. So these are the colors inside the eyeshadow palette. They're all shimmery. Wondering what the quality is like. Oh, hello. They're very soft and they look pretty pigmented. I'm so shaky at the moment. Like, can you see my fingers shaking? I'm not sure how much use I'll get out of that palette, but I guess I'll give it a go and see what I think of it on my eyes. I've got the Kate Somerville Derma Quench Liquid Lift Advanced Wrinkle Treatment. I've never used anything from this brand and I don't even know how to use it, to be honest. Like, is it meant to come out of this thing? Have you guys used this brand before? I'd really like to know. I'm interested in it. It says use AM and PM, use twice a day, shake bottle well. Prior to first use, prime the applicator by spraying 3 times away from the face. Interesting, something I need to try out. The next thing I've got, I'm pretty sure it's like a perfume. It says Replica, reproduction of familiar scents in moments of varying locations and periods. This one is Beach Walk. I did smell some of these when I was there, but I can't remember like the scent of this one or if I even smelt it. Ooh, I like that. That's good. I'm not going to try and like describe it because like I'm the worst at describing smells, but I'm just gonna sit here and like smell it on camera because you guys are really interested in that. I'm in like a really sarcastic mood today and I think that's just because I'm anxious. Next we've got the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. I did see Jacob swatch this and it looked amazing. That's the packaging, very sleek. It looks like the packaging of the foundations. That's gorgeous. So that's what it looks like. Really beautiful. Can't wait to use this one on the face. I'm sure you could use it probably on the collarbones or like the shoulder area as well. Next we've got the Too Faced Mermaid Tears Magic Crystal Mystical Effects Lip Topper. So it's a green lip topper, but it says it is transforming. I think we need to use it right now. I've got lipstick on, but you know. Not sure how I feel about it. It feels really nice on the lips. It doesn't look like as green anymore, but then again, I've got like quite a dark nude lip underneath and this is only like a lip topper. The next thing I've got is the Ciate Wonder Wand Mascara. I have used this when I got my Ciate palette, the Chloe Morello collaboration, but I only had like the small travel size and I loved it. It was amazing. So I'm wondering if the full size will be as good, but I remember I really enjoyed the formula of this one. Next, I've got the Interstellar eyeshadow by Mecca Max. So this is actually Mecca's own brand of makeup. Comes in this cute little pot. The packaging is always quite nice. And that's the color in there. It looks like kind of like an iridescent purpley blue color. That's what it looks like on the hand. It's very glittery, but it looks really nice. So next we've got the Skin Iceland Solutions for Stress Skin. Oh my god, I'm stressed. I need this. It is the Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. It's one of those patch things, the patches that go underneath the eyes. I love these so much. I use them all the time. I've never used anything from this brand, but I'll definitely be using it. So the next product I've been dying to try, but for some reason never gone out and bought. This is the Ciate Glitter Flip. So it's those liquid lips you put on and then you press your lips together and then it goes like really glittery. I'm sure you guys have seen it. Everyone did videos about this glitter flip thing. Ooh, that color's nice. So this is the color I got. I'll probably swatch it on my hand so you guys can see. I love the packaging. So that's the color there. It's like a cool tone kind of pink, and this one is in the color Candy. Another Ciate product. This is the Dewy Sticks. I've never used this and I'm not sure what it is. Okay, so it's like a cream stick, assuming it is glittery. Oh, maybe not. Dewy Sticks. More dewy. Can't really see it. I'm not sure how you use this. Glide this balm onto cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow, and anywhere light would naturally hit your face. I think it's got very fine shimmer through it, but you can't really see it. It looks like kind of like a clear balm product. I'm not sure how this would work over foundation because I feel like it would lift it up, but something I need to try out. I just don't feel like it's very balmy, like it's going to be lifting something up. I've got the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush, and this color is Pink Me Up. I really like the color of this. It's something I'll definitely be using. It looks like it can go with anything. I've never used any Bare Minerals blushes before, so I'll try it out and see what I think of it. We've got the Bumble and Bumble Dry Shampoo with French Pink Clay. I've heard of Bumble and Bumble like 100 times on YouTube, and I've never used any of their products. I've heard really good things, so I'll give the dry shampoo a go. I'm a dry shampoo junkie because I don't wash my hair very often. It's kind of gross, but you know, we don't want our hair to get oily every single day. It's a good little travel size as well. I have another Mecca Max product. This is a Galactic Gloss. It looks like another kind of metallic-y duochrome gloss. I'm not going to put it on because I've already got like another gloss on, but that's what it looks like. So next I've got this YSL Matte Stain. When I was at Jacob's, we did swatch it. We thought it was maybe like a liquid lip, but it's just like a lip stain, and man, did it stain his hand. To be honest, I'm not sure if I would use this. I'm not like a big stain person. Like I prefer to just kind of put on a gloss, and this color, like I don't know how often I would wear that really out as a stain because it is quite dark, and I'm not like a dark lip person. I might wear them in my makeup tutorials, but like out, I'm not a big red dark lip wearer. Even though I wish I was, I just don't feel comfortable in them. The next product I've got is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. This one is in Dim Light. I think I might already own this in one of my ambient lighting palettes. So if I do, I'll probably just give this to a family member or something. It is really cute though, really small, love the packaging. I'm not going to swatch it just in case I do give it to like a family member or something because I just don't really feel like I need it. The powders are so gorgeous from Hourglass. They're so finely milled and they give such an airbrush look to the face. Next I've got this Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. I have never used a tonic before. I'm assuming it's like a toner maybe. Okay, so I was right. It says it is a skin resurfacing toner, will exfoliate and brighten your complexion. I won't read it all because you guys will get bored, but yeah, that's what it is. And the last thing in my Mecca bag is my Mario Badescu facial spray. I think this is like a new one. It came in a cute bag here. So this one is with aloe, chamomile and lavender. I did spray it on my face when I was at Meccaland, and man, it smells so damn good. It smells so fresh and just, oh, it just smells so good. Like I feel like I'm in a day spa. I'm definitely using this. I love Mario Badescu. I just love these products. So I'll show you the little goodie bag I got from Benefit that night. We went and had dinner with them. It just came in this cute little bag here. The first thing I'm pulling out is this Benefit mirror. It's actually so cute, so handy as well. So you just open it up and it actually like flips out so you can like stand it up like that. I won't like blind you guys with my light. I know that sounds so stupid, but this is something I needed. I really needed like a little travel mirror, so I will be using that. Next, I've got the Hoola bronzer. I actually already do have this, so I probably will be passing it on to someone. I just don't want it to just get no use, if you know what I mean. But that's what it looks like there. It's still got the plastic covering on it. I won't open it up. I'm going to leave this closed so I can give this away. I also did get a goof-proof brow pencil. This one is in the shade 4, which does work for me. So I will be keeping this. I go through brow pencils so quickly, especially the Benefit ones. They're one of my favorite brands for brow products and the shades are always like on point. I also did get a Gimme Brow. This one's in the shade 5, so I'm not sure if that's going to be a little bit too dark for me because I'm pretty sure 5 is the darkest shade and I usually use 3 or 4. But if it's not too dark, I'll use it. If not, I might give it to my mum because she does have very dark hair and I think she'll enjoy something like this. And last but not least, one of my favorite products. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and I'll be keeping this for myself because, again, I go through these really quickly and it's one of my favorite mascaras. I feel like I'm going to burp. I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere. Like, it's one of the most hyped mascaras out there. You guys are going to flip out over this last package because I flipped out, and I've never received something in such beautiful packaging in my life. And it's so large and it's so heavy as well. So I did have a Too Faced event, like I said at the start, and it was kind of like a little cocktail themed party. It was very small, like there wasn't many people there, but we got given this. Yeah, I know. It's a lot to take in. I'm not going to swatch everything like in this whole video, but I will show you like what they look like. I'm going to start off with the kind of bronzers and stuff because I'm just going to take stuff out of the box. I'm not going to hold it up here and try to like show you in the box. It's just way too heavy. So the first thing I've got is the Too Faced Sun Bunny Radiant Duo Tone Bronzer. This packaging is gorgeous. I also forgot to mention this is their like natural beauty collection, I guess. So it's all like the browns and the champagnes. It's just all those neutral, beautiful tones. I'm assuming all these products pretty much already existed, but they've updated all the packaging and they've made it into a really big, beautiful collection. So that's what the Sun Bunny bronzer looks like. I think I already do own it in one of my bronzer palettes I got years ago. You guys would have seen in my decluttering video. You'll know which one I'm talking about, but that's one of the ones I always use. The next one I got is the good old Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm not sure if this is the light or dark one. So it looks like it is the light one. It's very light in tone, really good for people with fair skin. So the next ones we've got look like they're darker in tone. So again, I've got the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This one looks like it is darker, and that's what that shade looks like. I'm pretty sure I do own this, but in the old original packaging. And the last one I've got here is the dark Chocolate Soleil. This one looks like it's a little bit warmer in tone, so I'll probably be able to use that maybe when I'm more fake tanned, I guess. So moving over to the palettes, I've got the Too Faced Natural Face palette. The packaging again is beautiful. It's like a hard kind of plastic. It feels really sturdy and really strong. So this is the face palette. I did swatch a few of these shades on the night when I was at the event and they look really beautiful, especially like these highlighters here. If you guys want to see a video of me using like the whole kind of natural collection, let me know down below. So the next one I've got is the Natural Eyes palette, and it comes in like really similar packaging. You guys are probably laughing because I did a declutter video and I got rid of my old Natural Eyes palette from Too Faced just because it was so old. It was really dug into, like I used it really well, but I only just got rid of it and now it's like come back into my life. That's what the inside of the palette looks like. It looks like it's got all the same shades, except that one's not called the same name as what the other one was called. This one's called Cashmere Bunny. I think the other one was called like a Velvet Revolver or something like that. I can't remember. And the other palette I've got is the Natural Matte palette. It looks like it's the matte version of that other eye palette. So that's what it looks like there. I really like how they do have like a shimmery version and then also a matte version. So I've grabbed the first few nude lipsticks out of the packaging. They're very sticky because they were like all stuck together in the packaging. The first one we've got here is called Send Nudes. I'm not going to do any swatches today because I just want to show you guys, and then when I do maybe a full video on it, then I'll do swatches. The next one I've got is in the color Strip Search. The next color I've got is called Overexposed. This one is called Skinny Dippin'. This one is called Birthday Suit. So moving on to the darker shades, I've got Nip Slip. That's an interesting name. This one is called Girl Code. This is Throwing Suede. This one is called Pout About It. And last but not least, this one is called Indecent Proposal. Okay guys, so that's all for my PR haul today. Let me know what you thought down below and what products you want to see me try. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll leave all my Instagram and Twitter link down below if you want to go follow me on there. And I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.